Okay, so here is the audience. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, everyone, my speech today is going to be about diamonds. So I'm going to start and introduce myself. My name is Devin Martin. I'm a sophomore here at Nebraska Wesleyan University. I'm going to be talking about diamonds today. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. This song by Marilyn Monroe states the truth for girls of any age. But are they also man's best friend? Diamonds are dazzling stones that are graded and used in jewelry all throughout history and today. However, they also have uses besides ornate wedding rings. I'm sure that everyone has seen at least one diamond and has thought, wow, how do they get so perfect? I know that I'm definitely one of those people who wonder how. Diamonds are special stones to me because they are my birthstone and represent love and beauty. Today, we will learn about the dazzling diamonds in history, the way that diamonds are graded with the 4 C's, and how these beautiful stones are used to work in the work industry. To begin, we will talk about the famous diamonds in history that are simply breathtaking. But they had to be found somewhere. The diamond mining practice was born in South Africa in the 1880s. Diamonds are completely composed of pure carbon and are a natural occurring substance. The diamond takes the title of the most popular gemstone and also takes the title of being April's birthstone. Diamonds are historically a sign of love, strength, and wealth. In Encyclopedia Britannica's 2015 article titled Pope Diamond tells us about one that weighs 67 carats. Originating from India, it is one of the largest blue diamonds known. It was cut out of its natural form and is now cut as a heart. The Hope Diamond now rests in the Smithsonian Institution. The Jubilee Diamond, found in South Africa, is an incredibly rare, flawless, and clear diamond. It looks yellow in this picture, but it is actually clear. It weighed 651 carats in rough form. The Jubilee takes its name after Queen Victoria's diamond Jubilee. Another flawless diamond goes by the name of Incomparable Diamond and weighs 407 carats. The 128-carat Tiffany diamond is the largest yellow diamond in the world. These diamonds that I've named are all very rare diamonds, and that is why they go down in history for being famous. However, the traditional engagement rings, which were first made in the 1930s, are not quite as rare. In fact, according to the article by Tim Zoller titled 5 Myths About Diamonds, diamonds are much more common than what their price makes them seem. Even though people know that for a fact that diamonds are not incredibly rare, they still make $72 billion a year in retail business. Now that we have looked back on the famous diamonds in history, let us discover the grading system of diamonds in jewelry. Have you wondered how jewelers decide to price their diamonds? I am sure that 9 times out of 10, someone would tell you how big they are. Duh. But that is somewhat true, and it is also very wrong. The way that diamonds are graded and therefore priced is a complex system. Some of you may have heard about it before, and it is a system of the Gemological Institute of America that calls the 4 C's. It consists of color, cut, clarity, and carat. First, the color of the diamond. Most diamonds are the traditional near colorless to colorless. Near colorless to colorless. Some of the traditional diamonds may have hints of yellow or brown in them. It may sound odd, the less color, the higher the value. The exception to this rule is the fancy diamonds like pink, blue, and green. Pale blue diamonds are the most valued but incredibly rare. The color spectrum of diamonds can go anywhere from black to colorless. The color grading system is from letters D to Z, and each letter is defined by comparing diamonds. Even though 2 may look exactly the same, every diamond is unique, and the slightest difference can make the biggest impact. Next is the cut of the diamond, which according to the Gemological Institute of America's article titled The 4 C's Education, is arguably the most important seed of the four. The cut shows the sparkle and brilliance of this gemstone. The traditional cut of the diamond is a round cut that has 58 facets, which are precisely cut and defined. They can be as small as 2 millimeters. Other cuts include pearl, oval, emerald, heart, and triangle. Moving on to the next C, which is clarity. The clarity of the diamond is an interesting concept because every single diamond is unique. They all contain birthmarks, which are inclusions or blemishes. The less of each birthmark, the higher the value of the diamond. There is such a thing as flawless diamonds, which we talked about earlier. An example was the incomparable diamond, which is extremely rare. The final C is the carat. A carat is a unit of measurement in the weights for diamonds. A carat equals 0.2 grams. The majority of diamonds weigh 1 carat or less. Now that we are all a little bit more educated on the girl's best friend side of diamonds and the grading system, let us learn about the industrial use of diamonds and the men's best friend side of them. As it seems in the world today, there are many diamonds. However, 80% of diamonds that are mined are used in the industrial world and not in jewelry making. Because diamonds are 58 times harder than the next hardest material on Earth, they are used to make everyday items. However, do not just go and smash your mother's diamond earrings because even though they are the hardest material on Earth, they are still very brittle and they will splinter. Most diamonds that are used in the industrial world are irregularly shaped, poorly colored, or too small. In Encyclopedia Britannica's online article from 2016, it states that industrial diamonds are the diamonds that are simply too badly flawed to be in retail. Their colors usually consist of gray or brown, like you see on the screen here. Diamonds are used for cutting, grinding, and polishing. They are also useful because they conduct heat and repel water. Some examples of items that diamonds cut or polish include granite counters, concrete, eyeglasses, computer chips, surgical scalpels, and diamonds themselves. We have now seen the uses of diamonds in the industrial world, what they help create, and their overall use besides being in jewelry. So today, we have learned about the famous dazzling diamonds in history, the 4 C's grading system, and the industrial uses of diamonds. We know that diamonds are beautiful stones that are famous throughout the world and known for many years. But now, we know that there are industrial uses for diamonds. So now whenever you see these sparkling diamonds, you can decide if you believe the statement, diamonds are a girl's best friend, or perhaps a new statement, diamonds are a man's best friend. Thank you.